Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volkswagen Jetta oil change indicator. First, turn your ignition on without starting the engine. Next, locate the 0/SET button on your instrument cluster, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds until you see a message confirming the oil service reset on your display. Release the button, and the indicator should be gone. Some Jetta models offer an alternative reset method using the multi-function display, or MFD. With the ignition on, navigate through the MFD menus using the steering wheel controls until you find the Setup or Settings option. From there, select Service and then look for Reset Oil Change or a similar prompt. Confirm your selection, and the service reminder will be cleared. This method is often quicker if your car has the MFD. If your oil change light doesn't reset on the first try, don't worry. Ensure your engine is completely off before you begin the process, only turning the ignition to the on position. Sometimes, you might need to hold the 0/SET button for a bit longer, up to 20 seconds, to ensure the reset registers. Always refer to your Jetta's owner's manual for the most accurate instructions specific to your model year and trim level. Performing regular oil changes is crucial for maintaining your Jetta's engine health and ensuring its longevity. Always use the correct type and viscosity of oil recommended by Volkswagen for your specific model to achieve optimal performance and protection. And speaking of things that last, life's too short for cheap socks. Check out the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks, known for their lifetime warranty, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Keep your Jetta running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.